Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, JEM Holographic, the 80s icon of drag, and today I have a really cool video for you guys. If you did not watch my last couple of videos, make sure to like and subscribe down below. I'll have the links for those last couple of videos down below. And without further ado, let's get into this super cool unboxing. Alright you guys, I have a super cool unboxing for you guys today, and let me just tell you that this is just a collector's testament to wait for your opportunity. This lot of dolls that I got on eBay, I have been watching for quite a few weeks now, watching the auction start and end and nobody bidding on it. And I said the second time that it ended and I got the notification that it had been re-uploaded, I was going to bid on it and I was going to win. And I waited the entire 7 days to bid on this, and guess what? I was the only one that bid on it and I won. And let me just tell you guys right now, I got these dolls for a great price. Now, let's get to the package. Something's missing here. Synergy, something's missing. Ah! Thanks, girl. So like I said, I bid on this, and I got it, and I won it. And I won this lot. You'll see what's in here for $31, which is crazy. It's crazy. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys. Now, I am a collector, just like I'm sure a lot of you guys are. And I sometimes have impulses to buy things when I shouldn't. That I've had to tell myself since I've started really getting into collecting recently is, Jem, you have to wait for your time. Just because you see something for a price that you can afford at the moment does not mean that you should get it. Wait for your opportunity. And this is exactly what happened with this lot of dolls, okay? So I said, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna see what happens with this auction. Well, it ended. But the next day, it started back up again. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna watch it and watch it and watch it again and just see what happens. It ended. The third time though, I said, third time's a charm, I'm gonna get this. So I watched it when it come back on from day 1 to day 7. I waited. Nobody bid on this lot of dolls. So last 5 minutes of the auction, I made my chance, I put the bid on it, and I won. Of course, we have some standard packing. Oh, they wrapped everything in the paper. Oh, that's new. Oh, we've got 2 here. I'm just gonna take everything out. Okay, so we got everything out of the box. Let's start unwrapping the paper and see what treasures are inside. Woo, I'm excited! And it is a Aja! Now, I do have an Aja already, but you can never have too many Ajas. I think that she is gorgeous. She just needs a little bit of cleaning up. For the most part, her joints still work, which is great. She has her tights. They have to be sewn up a little bit, but I don't mind doing that. For the most part, she's in really great condition, and her tights are pretty rare to find on their own, so I'm glad I was able to find her with tights. Okay. It looks like the next one is a 2-for-1. So we're gonna open one side first, and it is a first edition Jem. She is gorgeous, and again, she has her tights. I'm really surprised that both of these have their tights. Now, obviously, her hair needs to be fluffed out and washed. It looks like whoever had her last had her hair up in a hat so she could be Jerrica, which I might do. I don't have a Jerrica outfit just yet, but you never know. Her tights are in okay condition too. There's just a hole right here on her butt. And of course, all of her joints still work, which is great. I don't know about her flashing earrings. I don't have any batteries to test those out, but we will test this out in the future. And of course, her waist is in pretty great condition as well. So the next one in this package is Kimber. This is obviously Jem and Jerrica's sister. She plays the piano in the band, and I'm really happy to have her. I don't have a Kimber. I do have a first edition Jem and a first edition Aja. I don't have a first edition Kimber, and I'm really glad that she came with her top, and the top looks to be in pretty great condition. Now, this skirt actually goes to a separate Jem fashion, which I don't have. It is called Sophisticated Lady. I'll put a picture up on the screen here so you can see what it looks like, but I am really glad to have her. Again, her hair is in pretty great condition. All of her joints seem to work, which is really good. And her waist is not loose, which is really good. I'm really happy to have her. Okay, the last two dolls. Oh my goodness. Gonna open it, and it is Synergy. Yes, this is the holographic AI that allows Jerica to turn into Jem. She is gorgeous. I love her hair. Now, she is a little beat up. She's got 2 marks on her hands. You know, she's missing a thumb, which is not cute, but she does have her original leotard, and she is missing the rest of her fashion. Also, with Synergy dolls, you can, I don't know if you can see, but a lot of the times the purple coating on their rubbery limbs will come off. So hers is coming off where it typically does, where the arm bands and the leg warmers go. She is in great condition as well. All of her joints work, and her hair is in fantastic condition. Usually with Synergies, their hair is a mess, but hers looks fantastic. Let's get to the last one. And this is Rio Pacheco. This is Jem and Jerica's boyfriend, who also is the stage manager for Jem and the Holograms. I am really happy to have a Rio. I have never owned a Rio before. I've never seen one out in the wild, and I am so glad to finally have a Rio. I did get a complete first edition Rio outfit, so I will be switching his outfit once I clean him up so I can display him with the rest of my dolls. So yes, you guys, this is what I purchased off of eBay, the lot of 5 Jem dolls that, frankly, I am missing these 3 here for my collection so far. I'm always happy to have an extra Jem and an extra Aja because if I find extra fashions, I can always display them in their proper fashions. If you guys would like to see me actually clean these dolls up, get them ready for display, that is a video that I can do, show you guys how I clean up my Jem dolls. And without further ado, guys, I am going to let you go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and set it to all so you don't miss any of my new uploads. And with that, guys, be bold, be beautiful, be truly, truly outrageous, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!